Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little Fiesta. In the last video we finished up with the arch nearly done. I've blocked all that down and sorted that out. Let me show you. It's all straightened out now and sorted. We had some stone chips down here. I just got to feather that out a little bit more to sort that out. And we had stone chips and flaking paint under there. I've sanded most of that off. I've just got to smooth that out a bit more, get some etch primer on that. So we're going to end up doing the rear quarter, the seal and into the wing. This wing has got a little bit of damage on the corner here, so I'm going to do that, and it's got some blisters in the paint now. And there's another one there. It's left me in a bit of a pickle because on the other side it's also got more stone chips, and I found it. We was looking in the car. There's a book on building site regulations and that. So this has all been, I'm guessing it's been driven on loads of building sites and picked up loads and loads of stone chips, and that's what's blown all the paint away. I've also got a crappy bit on this wing, so I didn't want to go mad on this because it's eating away at our profit, but it's looking like I'm going to have to paint both wings, both seals, and that rear quarter. On the other seal I'll just blend it in down the middle, so we haven't got to do the whole quarter. I'm going to get prepping. Another COVID haircut, beard trim. I'm very good at this haircut in malarkey. I messed it up, it's well short now, but ain't too bad considering I taught myself. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's get these bits prepped up, get some primer around this, and hopefully it'll come out all right. I'm going to pull that front bumper off quickly so I can get to them bits and make some progress. See you in a bit. There's that little dent all pulled up, looking a lot better. Just chuck a little skim over that just to make sure it's dead level. But yeah, that's that bit sorted. That's that all sorted on that side, and I sorted out the crusty bit around this side as well. That's all sorted now. We've just got to tend to the flaky bits down and finish the flaky bits down here. and then we can start getting it ready for some primer. So I'm going to have some lunch, and then we'll get cracking with this lot, and I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, crusty bits tended to, it's all bagged up. Yeah, all that's done down there, and then all that lot sorted, and crusty bits sorted out down there. We've got to go and dust a bit of etch primer on these bare metal bits. So those of you who don't know, you can't just put normal primer over bare metal. So you use like an etch primer. It's actually like an acid etch. So it etches into the bare metal, and then that's good to go. And then you can primer over that. So I'm going to do that now, get some primer knocked up, put that on, try and get some warmth back in here, and then we'll get priming. See you in a bit.
For a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I counting days until a second blow. If you're gonna break those shades, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start to top the notes. It's all you need to do.
There we go guys, all the masking's off. The heat is about to bloody come on now. It's all dry now, I'm just trying to get warm. It's the next day, left all of that. There's a bloody ding in here somewhere that I missed and all. Let's get this block down and get it ready for paint, shall we? Trying to warm it up, it's freezing in here.
are blending my inverse. That's all I know. You're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay. I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart, it won't last. No, my heart won't last. I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I guess there was never me and I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me.
Here we go, guys. Dusted over a bit of primer over all the cut throughs, but yeah, we're ready to get that all masked up and sorted out. It's blooming freezing in here. I'm just having a brew, warm up, and then we'll get this all masked off and get this ready for action. Start getting some paint on it, as long as I can get the temperature up enough in here. It's currently 2 degrees in here, which is emotional. Looking at my editor, I've realised how long this video is going to be if I include the masking and the painting in this. So I'm going to break it down so they're not so long and boring. We'll what we'll do on the next video, we'll have a masking video and a painting video, and that'll be plenty long enough for another video. So we'll make 2 out of the 1, I think. It's absolutely freezing, and I'm going to get this heater blasting and not have to worry about talking. I'm going to crack on. So, as always, massive thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video, which will be all the good bits. So yeah, as always, stay safe and be lucky.